Hello fellow crafters, this is Max from maxdmcrafting. Today another short tutorial for our tiny tabletop furniture. We are gonna build crates. Stay with me. This tutorial is dedicated to you guys that don't have actually a proxon table. You just need an X-Acto knife, a carpenter ruler, a piece of chipboard, graphics chipboard, and a piece of foam. Crates are very simple to make. They are very important because inside you can find treasure, weapons, food, and supplies, whatever. Remember, you can support this channel also through Patreon or by donation through PayPal, and of course following the links below in description that are affiliated links of Amazon. If you buy through those links, no additive cost for you guys, just a little support for this channel so you can help me do better and better all the time. Let's build a crate.
The first cut is very important. Here I'm using a carpenter ruler for a straight angle. If you don't keep your knife perfectly vertical, you can use a nail file for correct the cut. Now I'm marking 2.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter, and I'm connecting the dots with my carpenter ruler. This crate will be more or less 1.5 centimeter tall. Again, cut it and correct it with the nail file. Now with the metal brush, I'm creating the wooden grain, first of all on the top and the bottom of the crate. Then changing direction on the sides. Don't be shy, make a beautiful wooden grain. After that, with my pen, I'm drawing the main lines that separate the wooden plank. First of all on the top and on the two long sides. Now I'm tracing the line that separates the upper planks from the lateral planks, like that. And now I'm finishing the lateral long planks. Only at the end we complete the piece with the lateral short planks. At this point we take a piece of graphics chipboard and we cut a stripe of 4 mm like that. Now just eyeballing, we mark a line, little bit overhanging the top part of the crate. And now we use the first piece as a guide for create a second one, and we cut. With the nail, before gluing, we make the nail holes. little bit of hot glue and we put all together. Remember, these pieces must overhang a little bit the top part of the crate. With the same procedure, now we do the other 4 pieces for the sides. If you left the cardboard like that, you can have metal pieces, then you will color with metal gun silver. But if you prefer the wooden reinforcement, you now can trace lines and wooden grain with a nail, like that. Now the handles. We take a couple of rings and a couple of paper nails and we do something like that. At this point it's very easy to insert it in the foam. We do the same on the both sides. Yeah, and we are ready to paint. First of all, cover the entire piece with the acrylic black paint. Then a semi-wet brush with a lighter brown. And when the piece is dry, I use a dry brush with a warm gray. Beautiful, nice and easy. And that's it.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!